Experiencing issues with your Spectrum 210 cable box like buffering or signal loss? A simple reboot, also known as a soft reset, is often the first and easiest solution. First, power off the box. The most effective way is to unplug it from the electrical outlet. Wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow any residual power to dissipate. Then plug it back in and turn on your TV. The box will reboot, displaying the Spectrum logo during startup. Alternatively, you can try using the power button on your remote or the front of the box, but unplugging is generally more reliable. This soft reset is a quick fix for minor glitches and usually takes only 1 to 2 minutes. If a reboot doesn't solve your problems, a factory reset or hard reset might be necessary. Be warned, this will restore the box to its original state, erasing all customizations, parental controls, and stored data. Only proceed if you've tried a reboot and the issue persists. To perform a factory reset, first, ensure the box is powered on. Locate the small, recessed reset button on the back of the box. Use a paperclip or pen to press and hold this button for 10 to 15 seconds. The box will shut down, reset, and restart. Follow the on-screen prompts to reconfigure your box, which may include entering your zip code and confirming your service. Keep in mind that this process may require reauthorization with Spectrum servers, potentially taking 10 to 15 minutes. Factory resets are useful for resolving severe issues such as persistent freezes or corrupted firmware.